How to get rid of kidney and gallbladder stones using banana stem. 1. Kidney and gallbladder stones are a growing problem around the world. These are formed by crystal-forming substances such as calcium, ammonia or uric acid. 2. There are modern ways to remove these by keyhole surgery performed by doctors. However, many people are looking for an alternative remedy. 3. In Thailand and India, banana stems have been used for many years as a natural remedy for kidney stones and gallbladder stones. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 cup of chopped banana stem, 1 cup of buttermilk, the juice of 1/2 a lime, 1 teaspoon of raw honey or xylitol, and 1 pinch of cinnamon. Method: take the fibrous stalk of the banana or plantain tree and remove the outer shells until you reach the innermost section or cylinder. Use a sharp knife to do this. Slice the stem into cubes and soak these in a little water for 1 hour to soften it. Add this and all of the other ingredients to a blender and then process. Strain this through a sieve to extract the fibers and then drink. This is very tasty and will cleanse the body from within due to the nutrients within the banana stem smoothie. 4. The banana stem has diuretic properties. This means that it causes you to urinate more often. This flushes the kidneys and reduces the size of kidney stones. 5. Banana stems have been used to purify the kidney and as a natural medicine since ancient times. This remedy is found in ancient Ayurvedic texts. 6. Drinking this regularly has also been shown to reduce the problematic minerals in the liver. This effectively helps to prevent gallstones or gallbladder stones. 7. Banana stem works more effectively at preventing the stones in the first instance, but will reduce the size of internal stones over time. 8. You can also purchase banana stem extract online and in health food stores. This is a liquid extract made directly from the banana stem. 9. Drinking today's remedy also helps in treating urinary tract infections, bladder infections and bacterial infections within the digestive tract. 10. It also provides relief from heartburn due to the healthy nutrients it contains. This has a pH balancing effect within the stomach. 11. People also love to drink banana and ginger juice to burn fat and aid the process of weight loss. This works particularly well when reducing belly fat as it increases insulin sensitivity. 12. To learn more about natural cures and remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.